So my name is Justin. I'm the Deputy CEO of Heng Marine and Offshore. Yeah. So the group started as a shipyard in Singapore, providing repair, maintenance and overhauling services towards the drilling oil rigs. And over the years, through the services we provide to the oil rigs, we started to be more involved with the mobilizations, and we started to acquire vessels as well. And right now we have a fleet of over 35 vessels with a mix of construction barges, workboats, anchor handlers and support vessels. I think the advantages of having your own fleet is that you are able to control the time, the delivery and the cost. Especially when we engage in contracting works from supporting the pipe laying projects, the export cable lay projects in the wind farm, the shore crossings, offshore projects in general. So having your own fleet allows you to control the costs and to manage the risks better. Yeah. And give you more flexibility as well, commercially and operationally. Yeah. I think for us, because our fleet is on the older side, so our fleet renewal will be, it depends where the business is and where we can get contracts from. So like with regards to the wind farm, it's because we managed to sign an agreement and a contract with the wind farm developer, and that's why we engage in the investment towards a geotechnical vessel, right? So with the cable laying requirements coming up, we are still looking to see how we can support the cable laying business, especially on the nearshore portion, with Singapore trying to buy power from the region. And all these submarine cables need to be installed as well. So I think it depends on where the business is, right time, right place, and when the contracts or what type of contracts come out, and that's how we grow, organically rather than speculatively. The vessel was actually a laid-up vessel, so we bought the vessel used, and due to her condition, we had to spend quite a lot of money and work to get her up and operational again. And after we signed the contract, we started the conversion of the vessel, refitting her deck to accommodate for the lab needed to test the samples, fabricating the drilling rig to be installed over the moon pool of the vessel for the downhole testing, and also purchasing the cone penetration testing equipment and AHC crane to be installed on the deck to support the geotechnical survey operation. I think when it comes to digitalization of our fleet, it's quite a wide question. But where we have digitalized is the management of the vessels. So incorporating fleet management software to manage our maintenance list, to manage the defect list, to manage the crewing, to monitor the fuel. These are ways that we have digitalized. So when it comes to decarbonization, certain things like our workplace, we have installed all the solar panels on our building, and we are looking to, the aim is to use more shore power rather than burn the MGO every day. When it comes to our vessels are an older fleet, so it's still burning diesel or MGO. And when we look at our fleet renewal in the future, then we will start to consider things like diesel electric vessels or hybrid propulsion. I think for me it's really insightful to attend this conference because you hear like-minded individuals in the industry giving their views, and sometimes when you are so focused on your own business, you don't see the big picture. So attending this conference always gives me an insight to what the big picture is, what the future holds, especially the global market trends, because I don't I don't see Guyana, I don't see Brazil, I don't see West Africa or the North Sea. And that helps me plan for our business on what's going to come next.